Hey, it's Nate with Kills Can Do, and today we're going to be working on the Kawasaki Eliminator 125 bobber build. Today we are trying to figure out why we can't get it to crank over. So I am going to pull the CDI out and test it. That should be lots of fun. I was able to find a schematic for this and voltmeter, excuse me, and a ground, and it hooked up to the bike at some point. So here we go. All right, so this is the CDI. It's a Denso 21119-1562. I think that it may be dead. So yay, I'm gonna have to remove these two plugs, then we'll test the plugs, then we'll test the unit itself. Okay, according to the manual, this is top, this is bottom, and we gotta pull this little pin out, or plastic cover. And of course I dropped it. That's okay. All right, so the bottom connection is positive, negative. Turn the key on. Should be battery voltage, which is 12.3. Test that again. 12.35. We're going to test battery voltage. 12.37. 12.37. So the connector there is good. Okay, so according to the manual, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We should be getting resistance on pretty much all of these, some type or another. So we're going to go in order. All right, nothing. All right, let's try 1 to 3. 1.03, okay. 1 to 4. Nothing. 1 to 5. Point 1, 1 to 6, 19, 1 to 7, 0.3, 1 to 8, 'Trying to get this so you can see it. 8, nothing. 1 to 9, 2.5, 1 to 10, 0.324. All right, so let me go back over this and I will be right back. Okay, so pretty much everything on the graph between 1 to 10 and then 2 through 10, 3 to 10, 4 to 10. A lot of them are zeros, which means that this, no bueno, no good. It probably went fuego. at some point. I don't know, so we're gonna have to order a new CDI, which really sucks because that's like $200+. But in the meantime, we can do other stuff to the bike, get it ready. I'm pretty sure that's all there is that's wrong with it. I am also going to test the rectifier and the regulator. There are two separate ones on this bike. And I may get a kit to combine those into one because they deal with the charging system, or I may not, depending on how it goes. I mean, this is just going to be a play bike, and as long as it charges decent, then I don't mind hooking up a battery tender to it when it's not being ridden. We've got one hooked up in the shed. It's all ready to go, so that's not a problem. They say it makes it a little bit easier, so we may go with that. I guess we will find out depending on how much the wife lets me spend on this. It's her bike, so I'm thinking to get it up and running. And we got it for dirt cheap. So that's even better. So let me get back to some other things and I will be back. We'll see you in the next video. In the meantime, you guys have fun. All right, so we found out the CDI is bad. Kind of expected that. Working on the rest of it. I'm gonna clean up the bike a little bit. It's messy and dirty and grimy, not terrible. Then I'll take a couple pictures and load them up. Anyway, if you guys have some ideas of what we could do with this, put it in the comments below. So comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Have fun.